Hi guys, welcome to my channel Priyanka Chandra. Today I'll be telling my own true horror story which happened while I was in my college. I wanted to upload this video on Halloween, but due to some work I could not do that. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and start the video. I was in my third year engineering in Reva College, Bangalore. Since my college was very far from my house, I decided to rent a house near my college so I can save travel time and give full concentration on my studies. My parents were completely okay with my decision. My parents started searching house near my college area, and finally we found a newly constructed building with 6 houses. But since it was newly constructed, there were no tenants yet. So we were the first tenant in that huge brand new building. It was 5 minutes to my college, so we said yes to the house. I and my mom used to stay alone sometimes as my father used to travel to Mumbai very often on related to work and business. My father gifted me a dog to protect us from any outsiders and strangers. I loved the dog and named him as Tyson. Well, I usually don't like animals much, but this one was my first dog and I started liking him more and more day by day. So there was only a watchman in that entire building. The house was on the third floor and it was quiet place, no traffic, no sound. The area we stayed was surrounded by trees and plants. I liked the house very much as it was calm, peace, and I can give full concentration on my studies. I was looking for an area and a place where I can only focus on my studies. Days passed and we got our house set. Everybody were happy with the place, and also I was studying very nicely as well because it was a very calm and quiet place. So I started concentrating on my studies. I was an average student, guys. I was not a brilliant student, by the way. As my exams were nearing, I started preparing for my exams and I started giving a full concentration. As you all know, I was not such a brilliant student. I too had some backlogs, by the way. So it was a Friday night. I clearly remember that day. My dad had to leave Bangalore for 3 days related to his business. So we finished our dinner at that night and I said happy journey to my father and said good night to my mother and went to study in my room for my exams. So as my exams was on Monday, it was on Friday. So I just had 2 days to prepare and my first paper was DBMS. By the way, I had taken computer science stream in my engineering. I think third year engineering student who have taken computer science would definitely know what subject is that. Well, it was 1 a.m. midnight and I almost finished my studies. There were little bit portions left to study, so I thought I will study in the morning as I was feeling really sleepy. My windows were opened. I off the light and went to close the windows and noticed that there was a woman who was wearing a white sari and walking with a baby. I could not see anything clearly, but there was a white sari that woman was wearing and she had a baby who was also wearing a white dress, probably 3 to 4 years kid, I guess. I could not see their faces as I was approximately 200 meters away from my room, that is the balcony of my room. It was an open empty site and there was no road that leads to anywhere as it was an acres of empty land. I was very curious and I opened my balcony door to look closer. Who was that in the midnight walking alone, that too with a kid? I kept on staring for few seconds. It was pitch dark, no lights on. Since even I also offed my room lights, there was nothing else. But I could only see the woman wearing sari and just walking. So I kept on looking at them. My concentration was fully on them as they were walking on the empty land, that too in midnight 1 p.m. I just did not lose my focus and I just kept on staring again and again. All of a sudden, the people who were walking just stopped. As soon as they just stopped, my curious started growing more and more and I did not even shake my eyelids. Then all of a sudden, just the head of that lady and that kid turned towards me. It was pitch dark, guys. There was no light, as I told you. And generally, whenever we search for somebody, we see here and there. But that lady and that kid looked straight away to my eyes, and I was literally shocked. I was frightened so much, I could not tell you. I was so terrified and I freezed at the spot. Then I decided that it is something wrong over here. I think I should better get back to my room. Though I was very scared, I did not lose my calm. I did not let them know that I was frightened. I just went back to my room. I just closed my balcony door and straight away went to the puja room, and I slept entire night in the puja room. I was so badly panicked. Next day my mom saw me. I was sleeping in puja room. She just came to me. I just told her and narrated all the story which happened yesterday. I was so frightened, and that too I just had 2 days to prepare for my exams, and Monday was my exam. Well, after that, we just inquired with the watchman whether he saw any women on that empty land, but he had no clue about them. So I went to give my exam on Monday, which was my paper. Of course, I have to attend my exam after all this incident, and I just told my friends about this. It was so disturbing. One of my friend told me that she heard about someone death near that area. I mean, the area where we stayed. So there was a woman and a baby which died on spot in a road accident. When she told me this story, I was like really scared. I didn't know how to react. Maybe is it her ghost? Is it her son ghost which I saw last night? Well, this was my story. If I think of that night, I still get goosebumps while narrating as well. So all the scenes are coming in front of the eyes which happened that night. Well, I always believe that there is God, so there is ghost. So there is good and there is evil. So yes, ghosts do exist, but it again depends on the people who believe it or not. So I'll just leave it to you. What do you think of my story? This is the true story which happened with me. So I hope you like my story. If you like it, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification of all my videos. Do comment even if you have come across with any kind of such paranormal activities, and I would love to read your true stories. That's it for today guys. Take care. Bye bye.